We are here incredibly at Industry City to put on the 2026 Construction Robotics Summit.
We're really excited to bring to you the second annual Construction Robotics Forum.
This is the most hardware I've seen the whole entire time that I've been in this space. It's been really, really rewarding seeing the other people excited about it.
It was a very good balance of the different types of technology and robotics that are up and coming and being more utilized in the industry.
The level of robotics companies that you see today didn't exist a year ago, 2 years ago, or 3 years ago, or 4 years ago. And so that industry is just growing and ramping up very quickly.
Every industrial company is going to be a robotics company at some point. So we're right at the precipice, right at the very beginning.
I think this is the first time I see technology in the industry that's telling the industry very clearly, you don't get on board, you're gonna fall behind. Me sending a drones to inspect a bridge and scan it will beat somebody taking measurements any day, anytime. So I'm not going back.
Drones can capture a lot of information in a very precise, organized way, very fast. The AI now, you can feed it thousands of images and it will almost instantly go through them.
A lot of developers are now seeing the value of adding AI into the robot itself through foundational models where the robot can learn what's in front of it, perceive, execute on task, and that way it starts to collect data, execute, and become more robust in what it's doing. There are many parts of construction that robotics automation and implementation can help with worker safety, with labor shortages that we face.
The whole point of this is not labor replacement, but labor augmentation. If you are getting into construction, you won't have to break your back doing rebar or something. There's a robot for that.
A safer worker that has less repetitive motion injury. It's amplifying the human's ability to get the work done.
This is simply a complementary approach that helps them achieve the goals that they already have for their projects.
I see potential for significantly more workers to be able to go home to their families at night. Once we have that data and we understand that deploying that technology saves lives, that deploying that technology reduces variability, then insurance goes from being a potential barrier, becomes an accelerator. Because then we're not just supporting it, we start mandating it.
I undoubtedly believe that physical AI, construction robotics, the game has changed forever.
If we can keep the workers' health and safety at the forefront and still increase productivity rates, that's what I'm hopeful for. That's what I think we'll see if we all stay on this path and do it together.
We're in such an untapped market of opportunity where as robots get more capable and AI models get more capable, there's an infinite amount of tasks and gaps physically that we see in the real world that can be addressed through robotics.
Having a community like the Contech Alliance is absolutely paramount to being successful. The importance of doing something like this and doing it here in New York goes beyond these walls. We're trying to make New York central to the global robotics industry. That's going to happen, and I think that in the next 3 to 5 years, we're going to see that.